Hello, my name is Roderick Penson. I'm a Senior Principal Consultant for CA Technologies. In this session, we're going to discuss CA View and getting big data analytics out of it, as well as reporting. Hope you enjoyed this session. Hi, this information is for informational purposes only. It's just giving you some creative ideas on how to do this type of activity with CA View. Okay, let's get started. So why is this very important for you to know? Well, in today's world, the mainframe support of solution is based on doing more work with less resources. So this type of session is trying to get you to start thinking about how you can automate as much information out of CA View and have it stored and available at your fingertips when you may need it. So the CA Enterprise Report Management Solutions have developed many out-of-the-box type reporting tools, and these tools are designed to help administrators and system programmers to observe and report on the performance of CA View, Deliver, and our web interface as well. But we're just going to focus on CA View in this session. I hope you enjoy. CA View comes with several different types of tools. For example, we have a general report writing tool right out of the box. We have a SMF reporting tool that allows us to track what users are doing on CA View. And then we also have different admin tools that can be leveraged into reporting tools by the administrator. Very simple, very easy to use. Okay, let's look at a couple use cases on how to use these tools. First, I want to tell you, you do not have to be a programmer to develop these reporting tools or extract this data. These reporting tools are they can be very simple or they can be very complex on how you design them. Right out the box, CA View gives you 9 canned reports that you can use right away. And all the GRW jobs can be scheduled from a workload automation tool like CA7, CAESP, and other vendor scheduling packages. So I just want to make sure, let everyone know that you don't have to be a developer or a programmer to run these tools. So some people say, why do we need these tools? Well, maybe you need to identify by application what is stored on CA View. You need a report writing tool. Maybe you need to research how a report got accidentally deleted from CA View and when. You need a report writing tool. A report writing tool can be used to do chargeback for a business unit. You need a report writing tool. These report writing tools that CA have provided with CA View are very simple and easy to understand. So don't be frightened of them. Let's go ahead and look at a few samples. In this example, the client wants to know how many reports are stored on CA View by application name so they can manage their chargeback costs. Here's an example of what that JCL would look like. Once this batch job ran, as you can see, we stored it out on CA View so that the line of business can log on and look at the report through a web GUI interface. But as you can see, here's the results of that request. Very easy to use, simple to run. Yeah, this one is interesting. Yes, I want to know who backdated a report to move it back to the proper date if a report got reran. So we have the capability of running what we call a report to identify who backdated a report, what was the original date it was stored on CA View. This is another nice report that you can run, and this is also out of the box. So out of the box, here's an example of what that report would look like. You want to know who's backdating reports. I would run this report like every week just to keep track of what's going on out there. In this example, we have the capability of storing spent JCL in CA View, and we also have a report writing tool that is able to extract very valuable data. In this use case, the business unit want to know more detail about how long a series of batch jobs ran during the night. As you can tell, here's the results of that report. We can store it out on CA View for the user or business unit to log on and take a look at that at their leisure. So you don't even have to print it out. So there you have it. Now you have some ideas on why or when you might want to run some reports against CA View. You'll notice that these are all canned reports out of CA View that comes with the product. You can look up more options available in our CA View reference guide. Another thing you should take in consideration is when you look at our examples and all the ways you can use it, understand when and where to use them. But most of all, have fun making new report IDs that fit your business need or administration needs. I will put these types of jobs out on a workload automation schedule and have them run daily or weekly or monthly or as needed. But at least have them available. And finally, have them available in your own special toolkit so you can use them at a moment's notice. You just never know when you might need to research something. I hope you enjoyed this session. This has been fun, and I hope to see a lot more different reports being written from CAV. Have a great day.